my god, I'm so sorry. Was I just doing my hair in front of you guys? I did not see you there. I'm so sorry. Um, but hello. I'm making a video today, and that's why I put up my hair, because I am going to be doing a clean with me. So, let's go ahead and get started on this video. So, yes, you heard that right. Today I'm going to be doing a clean with me video. Now, I haven't done a clean with me video in, I'm not entirely sure. I did try and record one like a week ago, but it didn't really go right. I was just not in the mood. Like, I wasn't in the clean. I did get some things clean, but I wasn't really in the cleaning mood. But I am in the cleaning mood today. I want to get my room clean today, and this is also going to be part of my an upcoming series that I'll be starting. This is the first video of the series, by the way. Back to school series. So a lot of YouTubers do this back to school series, and I want my room to feel more comfortable, clean, and I want to have a good environment for school. So I'm going to tackle my bed, and I'm going to clean my bed. I'm going to clean my desk, which is to this side of me, and my dresser, which is in front of me, and then this area right here, where all these boxes are, it's a mess in that area by my windows, so I'm going to clean that area too. I'm going to be dusting, and I just need to clean a whole bunch in my room. If you guys watched any of the videos before this, I told you that we're having renovations done to our apartments, and so because of those renovations, I wanted to rearrange my room, my furniture, which I've gotten used to it. It's so different than what I used to have it, how it used to be before, but it was a good change, and my room hasn't really been super clean since I've rearranged my furniture, and some of my stuff is still in boxes because I've tried to get rid of some things because I do want to get some new furniture in a few months, hopefully, or by next year maybe. I do want to get some new furniture, just because I've had the same furniture forever. Well, it's not that I've had the same furniture forever, but it hasn't really felt like it's not put together. It's not put together, and I want it to be put together. So I'm going to be organizing, and whatever goes in boxes will stay in the boxes, but whatever doesn't go in boxes will either be thrown away or donated, or yeah, stuff like that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make my bed, but I do want to let you know that most of this video will most likely be a time lapse. I'm going to try and find the best space or best place in my room to put my phone to make this time lapse. So me just cleaning everything will be a time lapse, and then I will show you the aftermath of me cleaning my room. So if you guys are excited to see this, then go ahead and keep watching. If you guys don't want to watch and you guys aren't interested in cleaning videos, then don't watch. I won't be offended. Some people just don't want to watch cleaning videos. It's not their thing. But if you guys are, keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I didn't quite finish cleaning my room. Today is a new day, it's just the next day. However, I do want to finish cleaning it by today. I have to finish cleaning my desk, my dresser, which is over there, and my nightstand, and I have to dust And I think that's pretty much it for now. But let's go ahead and finish up with my cleaning. So I've put everything on my bed. Now, some of this is trash, some of this is not trash. Most of it isn't trash, however, and some of it I need to try. This bag just has some of my shoes in that I need to put away, but some of this is not trash, some of this is trash. So I'm just going to go through every one of it, or all of this, and see what is trash. This isn't trash. It has some coupons and stuff in it. Well, that's my iPad. That's not trash. These lipsticks are maybe trash. These chips and Cheez-Its, they're trash. They're stale already. But most of it isn't really trash. It just, I need to find a home for it. So I finished organizing my desk. It looks so much clearer. My laptop will be able to fit here when I do start using my desk again as like a workspace. But there are still some things that I wasn't able to put anywhere. This, I kind of like that there. My mom and I painted this when we went to Cancun in 2014. And I just have a Snoopy Happy Holidays snow globe, which shouldn't be there right now, but for now it is. And then I have my Mickey Mouse. That Mickey Mouse is a piggy bank. And then all these candles, only reason why those candles are there are because I don't have a place to put them right now. So, yes. And then this white thing, that's not trash, that belongs to the blinds of my window, and I do want to buy like a file organizer that I can just place on top of my desk so I can file some important papers like coupons sort of things, just like important things, but for now I put some of that stuff into that FedEx box, and so far that is my desk. And I also put my scissors and my little lamp, and it's pretty much clean. I do need to dust it still, but for the most part it is clean. So now I need to clean my nightstand over here. It's not too messy, however I just want to organize it and see what else, if I can put any of this anywhere else, or organize this part, even though this is pretty much okay. But yeah, so let's go ahead and tackle my nightstand now. Okay, so now I'm going to clear my dresser right here. It's pretty cluttered and messy, so yeah. Okay, so just like I did with my desk and the area in front of my window, I just put everything from my nightstand and my dresser on top of my bed so I can see it better. Now, I'm just going to go through everything and see what to do with it. Some of this, for example, that is hair. That is my hair that I have yet to donate. I wanted to donate that, and I'm going to, but I have yet to deliver it and send it off. Now these are all of my, just like medicine and stuff. So I need to put this back on my nightstand, but before I do that, when I have these snacks, before I put anything back, I need to dust. So I'm going to dust, and then some of these clothes I'm either going to donate or keep. Those shorts I'm most likely going to keep. Skirt, unsure. These are just some leggings right here that I'm not sure either. I'm not sure about any of those except for the shorts. And yeah, so let's go ahead and clear this all up. Okay, I forgot. Before I clear this all up, I need to dust and clean the surfaces. So this is one of my little mirror that I use, my makeup mirror, that I need to clean. I'm going to use that to clean that, and then this I'm going to be using to dust. This is just some furniture polish that smells really good, along with this to wipe it up, and yeah. Okay, so the last and final thing that I need to do, well, not really final, because my room is still a mess, but this isn't really like a full-on clean with me video. Like I'm not going into deep cleaning mode, but I do want to organize most of the surfaces, and so I just need to dust this, and I'm pretty much finished. Everything else shouldn't be that, it's not really that big of a deal. Maybe I will clean it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm going to dust this. Look at this. Look at how dusty it is. It's like disgustingly dusty. And you know what's even funny is that my nightstand and my dresser and my desk weren't even that dusty. I mean, there were more things on it, maybe that's why. But that's really gross. I'd never let it get this dusty, so I'm gonna dust it. Let's see. Okay, so I pretty much finished with my room. Whatever I told you guys I was going to tackle, I tackled. So here's my nightstand. I've pretty much organized it. I put my makeup brushes that were on this shelf inside that little plastic container right there. And then I've organized it over there. I'll go ahead and show you guys. So, I have my daily things, which I pretty much use daily, on right next to my bed. Now I usually take melatonin at night to help me sleep. Then I always take a probiotic every day. And then I have my baby lotion, which I use pretty much daily almost, on here too. And then I have some ibuprofen now. I've been taking children's ibuprofen just because I have trouble swallowing this pill right here. So I still have yet to try that, but I might return this one. And then I've got my one of my jewelry boxes here with my water bottle and a candle. And then this is for my heater, which I'm not using right now because it's too hot to use that. So that is that. And then this belongs in the living room right now since that is a whole bunch of pretty much recycling. And then I have this area right here. And then my desk, which this actually belongs on the corner. So I've got this pretty much all organized. And then I made some space over here by moving my shoe boxes that were that Nike box was still, I didn't move that one, but some other shoe boxes here and that FedEx box that I showed you guys somewhere else. So I'll go ahead and show you guys where I moved that. And here's my dresser so far. So that's my mom's jewelry box, and then this is my jewelry box. But it's all just, I kind of organize it a little more. And then here is my TV, where I have my TV I'm about to play right now. But I dusted it, and it's all really pretty and just nice and polished. And then I put the shoe boxes down here because there was space down here, so I thought, you know what, might as well just put them down there. I'll probably end up putting some stuff on top of it just to organize it a bit more. But so far, that is everything that I tackled. I'm really proud of myself. In my bed, of course I made it again. So yeah. I cleaned my room and I finished it, and I'm really proud of myself. If you guys enjoyed this little clean with me video, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you guys would, if this inspired you to clean your room or any part of your room, then also give this a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Or well, not subscribe down below, but subscribe. Somewhere you'll find it. It says subscribe. So go ahead and subscribe if you really want to. If you don't, it's okay. Comment down below. Also, if this made you clean your room or inspired you, comment that down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!